So recently we have changed our entire transactions module. Today I will go ahead and show you what we have changed and how this new transaction module look like and what are its features. Let us quickly go in the transaction module. Now this is the new look of transaction module. So earlier you might have seen that there remains the entire transaction list along with the tags and the status, each and everything. Okay, now we have entirely changed it. So currently you can see in front of you only few columns like company name, transaction name, document number and last modified date. In fact, in company name, transaction name and document name number, we have provided the search field. Now you can search from here directly. These are few of the filters which we have provided, like you can simply go ahead and filter out the entire purchase transaction and the sales transaction. In fact, in the goods and services you can also get the filter, and also in the status, live or draft. So live means which are save and sent, draft means which are saved in draft. Also you can simply click here on the cancelled option and you can see the cancelled transactions here. New transaction is there from where you can go ahead and make a new document. We have provided an option field here where, let me go ahead and show you what are the features. So earlier tags, invoice status, good status, those all the things were visible in front of transaction. But now you wish to see anything, you simply select that. Like if I go ahead and select the invoice status, I can see the entire detail of it. Also the good status. So very well, you can choose it according to your requirement. Also I can simply go ahead and click on tags, and then after the tags, whatsoever tags we have created, it can be shown here. So this is a new look and feel of new transactions module. I hope this helped you out.